Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration. Why is long hair FUE, or follicular unit excision, called preview long hair FUE? When you take the full length of your hair follicle from the donor site into the recipient site and you actually build density and form a hairline or form a crown and fill in a balding area, you're essentially creating a final result. And we call it preview because whenever you move a hair follicle from one place to the other, that hair follicle will likely shed. And it doesn't mean that the actual follicle sheds, but the hair within the follicle sheds. So we call it preview because when you take the long hair, you're creating a very accurate representation of what the final result is going to be. And it's very important from a psychological standpoint for patients, and it creates extreme accuracy when we actually do the hair transplantation. So preview is important for you as a patient because you'll see close to the final result on the day of the procedure, and we get extreme accuracy, which translates into better results for you.